Hi, I'm Gabe from Bennington. Today we're going to take a look at a Garmin 743 paired with a Mercury engine. Here we are with the Garmin 743 paired with a Mercury engine. We're also running the latest version of Garmin software, which is version 27. You can download that from Garmin.com or use the Active Captain app to update your display wirelessly. Now, from the engines page, it's nice because this is fully customizable. You can press and hold on any of these gauges, and you can replace the data and choose from any of the options to have it look just the way you want. Now, you know that we have engine data being fed into the display because we have all the needles showing. We do this via a NEMA gateway. Also, if you go to your options, you can fully customize and make your own gauge page. You can change the layout, you can add in page, fully customizable for whatever you may prefer. Now from here, if we tap our home button, we can go back and we can go to any of the other modes available. You see we have charts, sonar, combo, smart mode, and vessel down at the bottom. Let's go to our charts page. So we have our basic navigation chart. What you want to remember is that for each page, you have options available to you as well. You can go in and turn on and off layers. You can change settings. And you can do that for each page. Again, we'll tap our home button to go back. We have the fishing chart, which is a more detailed depth contour map. We have a 3D chart, a fisheye 3D. These are things that Garmin puts in to help. Let's also look at our sonar page. So we have a traditional sonar page. It shows our depth, a view of the bottom. We see our water temp, the time. Again, you can go to your options. We can customize the sonar setup. We can go to appearance. We can adjust many different settings here. We can turn on and off fish symbols. So a very nice sonar page. We can also go back and there's clear view available with the transducer that we use. It gives a more clear picture of the bottom. Again, very helpful for fishing. You can do a split zoom, and you can also do a split frequency. Again, these can be customized as well. From our combo page, we have several combos already preloaded. As you can see, you can do a chart with sonar. You can do all sonar. And of course, if we go to our options, we can add or edit these combos as well. So now let's go back to our smart mode. Garmin again puts in smart modes already. So if you go to your cruising page, it's going to be your basic charts. You go to docking or anchoring, they have combos already made to help with these features. And then from our vessel page, that's where we began with our engines page. They also have a fuel page. We have the Active Captain app. So there's lots of features and options here. Not all necessarily will work with your setup. What else is nice is you can pin things. It's like creating favorites. So you see we have the ones pinned here. Let's pin another one. Let's go to our charts and let's pin the nav chart. So all we do is press and hold, and now it's pinned. So now when we go back to our home page, all we have to do is arrow through our favorites, and it'll take us quickly through our pinned pages so we can see whatever we want. I hope you liked the video. For more tips, go to BenningtonMarine.com.